Beijing Capital Airport, ATIS Information Bravo, timeout 620 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 6, temperature 8, dew point -15, QNH 1029. Remarks, use of departure and arrival procedures recommended. Landing runways 136 left and 36 right, departing runways 136 left and 36 right, advise on initial contact, you have information Bravo. Beijing Capital Airport, ATIS Information Bravo, timeout 620 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 6, temperature 8, dew point -15, QNH 1029. Remarks, use of departure and arrival procedures recommended. Landing runways 136 left and 36 right, departing runways 136 All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, thank you.
Beijing Capital Ground, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, ready for pushback with information Bravo.
All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Air China 890 Heavy, say intentions. Beijing Capital Ground, Air China 890 Heavy, request taxi to gate 523 at the Terminal 3E. Air China 890 Heavy, taxi to parking at your discretion. Taxiing to parking, Air China 890 Heavy. All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, please expedite.
Beijing Capital Ground, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, ready to taxi with information Bravo.
All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, taxi to runway 36 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 36 right, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Air China 9516 Heavy, say intentions. Beijing Capital Ground, Air China 9516 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Bravo, requesting runway 1. Air China 9516 Heavy, pushback approved, expect runway 1. Pushback approved, Air China 9516 Heavy. Beijing Capital Ground, Air China 9516 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 1 with information Bravo. Air China 9516 Heavy, taxi to runway 1, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 1, Air China 9516 Heavy.
Beijing Capital Tower, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, ready for departure at runway 36 right, departing east.
All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, wind calm, runway 36 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 36 right, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Beijing Capital Tower, Cargo King 5778 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 36 left, departing east. November 69 Foxtrot Uniform, number 1, runway 36 left, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 36 left, November 69 Foxtrot Uniform. Cargo King 5778 Heavy, wind calm, runway 36 left, cleared for immediate takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 36 left, Cargo King 5778 Heavy. Cargo King 5778 Heavy, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved, Cargo King 5778 Heavy, good day. All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, frequency change approved, good day.
Frequency change approved. All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, good day.
Beijing Capital Tower, Air China 9516 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 1, departing south. established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 34 left, orange 178. Japan Air 92, descend and maintain 6000. Descend and maintain 6000, Japan Air. All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, turn left heading 060, descend and maintain 8000.
Turn left heading 060, descend and maintain 8000, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
China Southern 647 Heavy, contact Tokyo Tower on 118.1. Delta 915, contact Tokyo Tower on 118.1. Tokyo approach, November 731 Kilo Oscar, with you at 19,800. Contacting Tokyo Tower on 118.1, China Southern 647 Heavy. Contacting Tokyo Tower on 118.1, Delta 915. Alpha 2 Alpha November Tango, reduce speed to 200 knots. Reduce speed to 200 knots, Alpha 2 Alpha November Tango. Orange 178, contact Tokyo Tower on 118.1. Orange 178, request frequency change. Contacting Tokyo Tower on 118.1, Orange 178. November 731 Kilo Oscar, radar contact, say approach request. November 731 Kilo Oscar, requesting descent via Aros 1 Alpha arrival. Alpha 2 Alpha November Tango, turn left heading 010, descend and maintain 5000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 34 left approach. November 731 Kilo Oscar, say approach request at destination. Turn left heading 010, descend and maintain 5000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 34 left, Alpha 2 Alpha November Tango. Stand by, November 731 Kilo Oscar. November 731 Kilo Oscar is 30 nautical miles southeast of Taijama at 17,800 feet, requesting flight following to Tokyo International. November 731 Kilo Oscar, proceed on course to Tokyo International. Proceed on course, November 731 Kilo Oscar. Iberia 123 Heavy is 13 nautical miles southeast of Haikuri at 24,300 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Tokyo International. Japan Air 92, turn left heading 020, descend and maintain 4000. Turn left heading 020, descend and maintain 4000, Japan Air 92. Iberia 123 Heavy, continuous filed, expect the ILS approach runway 34 right at Tokyo International. Iberia 123 Heavy, turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 7000. Turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 7000, Iberia 123 Heavy. Nippon Cargo 860 Victor Alpha, turn left heading 280, descend and maintain 3000. Alpha 2 Alpha November Tango, thank you, good day. Alpha 2 Alpha November Tango, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, descend and maintain 11,000.
Descend and maintain 11,000, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Turn right heading 340, descend and maintain 7,000, November 731 Kilo Oscar. .80 knots.
Increase speed to 280 knots, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Nippon Cargo 860 Victor Alpha, turn right heading 010, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 34 left approach. Turn right heading 010, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 34 left, Nippon Cargo 860 Victor Alpha. Japan Air 92, turn left heading 010, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 34 left approach. Nippon Cargo 86, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, speed at your discretion.
Roger, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, descend and maintain 6000.
Descend and maintain 6000, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, turn left heading 020, descend and maintain 5000.
Turn left heading 020, descend and maintain 5000, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Japan Air 92, thank you, good day. Japan Air 92, contact Tokyo Tower on 118.1. Contacting Tokyo Tower on 118.1, Japan Air 92. November 731 Kilo Oscar, reduce speed to 220 knots. Reduce speed to 220 knots, November 731 Kilo Oscar. Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000.
Turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Tokyo approach, Japan Air 179, with you at 19,100, descending via ZAC 1 Alpha arrival. November 731 Kilo Oscar, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 34 left at Tokyo International. Roger, November 731 Kilo Oscar. Japan Air 179, radar contact. November 731 Kilo Oscar, turn left heading 010, descend and maintain 6,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 34 left approach. Japan Air 179 is 4 nautical miles southwest of Oshima at 18,400 feet, requesting visual approach any runway at Tokyo International. November 731 Kilo Oscar, reduce speed to 200 knots. Reduce speed to 200 knots, November 731 Kilo Oscar. Japan Air 179, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 34 left at Tokyo International. Roger, Japan Air 179. November 731 Kilo Oscar, turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 34 left approach. Japan Air 179, turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 7000. Turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 34 left, November 731 Kilo Oscar. Iberia 123 Heavy, turn right heading 260. Turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 7000, Japan Air 179. Turn right heading 260, Iberia 123 Heavy. Tokyo approach, battle cry 254 Alpha Yankee, with you at All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, turn left heading.
Turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 34 left, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
November 731 Kilo Oscar, please expedite altitude change. Battle cry 254 Alpha Yankee is 3 nautical miles southwest of Oshima at 17,400 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 34 right at Tokyo International. Airport in sight, November 731 Kilo Oscar. Battle cry 254 Alpha Yankee, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 34 right at Tokyo International. I'm sorry, November 731 Kilo Oscar. Roger, battle cry 254 Alpha Yankee. Battle cry 254 Alpha Yankee, turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 7000. Turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 7000, battle cry 254 Alpha Yankee. Iberia 123 Heavy, descend and maintain 4000. Tokyo approach, Air China 9516 Heavy, with you at 16,900. Romeo Alpha 001. All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, thank you, good day. November 731 Kilo Oscar, thank you, good day.
All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, request frequency change.
Air China 9516 Heavy, radar contact. All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, contact.
Contacting Tokyo Tower on 118.1, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy. Tokyo Tower, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, inbound on the ILS.
All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 34 left, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
November 731 Kilo Oscar. Number 2, runway 34 left, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 34 left, November 731 Kilo Oscar. Japan Air 71 Charlie X-Ray Heavy, thank you. Japan Air 71 Charlie X-Ray Heavy, contact Fukuoka Center on 127.0. Contacting Fukuoka Center on 127.0, Japan Air 71 Charlie X-Ray Heavy. All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, contact Tokyo ground on 118.22.
Contacting Tokyo ground on 118.22, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy. Tokyo ground, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, request taxi to parking.
All Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy, taxi to parking at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, all Nippon 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Tokyo ground, November 889 Victor Hotel, ready to taxi to runway 34 right with information India. November 889 Victor Hotel, taxi to runway 34 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 34 right, November 889 Victor Hotel. Tokyo ground, November 731 Kilo Oscar, request taxi to parking. November 731 Kilo Oscar, taxi to parking at your discretion. Taxiing to parking, November 731 Kilo Oscar. November 889 Victor Hotel, pushback approved, expect runway 34 right. November 889 Victor Hotel, correction, stand by. November 889 Victor Hotel, cross runway 34 left. Crossing runway 34 left, November 889 Victor Hotel.